Hello everyone, my name is Michael and I am the Crafty Crocheter, and for today's video I'm going to take you on a shopping trip with me so you can see where I shop at and what types of yarn and other crocheting materials and or tools that I normally purchase. And today, with the recent upsetting news about Joann's closing all of their stores nationwide, I've decided to take you to my local Joann's fabric store. So that way I can stock up on some yarn for future projects and other tools for the future while I still can. This is going to be a series of videos called Let's Go Shopping that I am planning to bring to the channel. So let me know if you like these videos and if they prove to be useful and or valuable to your crocheting endeavors. Alright everyone, let's go shopping. Hi everyone, this is the Crafty Crocheter. I'm outside my local Joann's fabric store. I'm trying to see what kind of deals I can find today before they close for good. So without further ado, let's go shopping. Alright everyone, I am back from my shopping trip. So I am going to show you what I have purchased today on my shopping trip. So without further ado, here is my yarn haul. Alright everyone, I am now going to show you my recent yarn haul from Joann's Fabrics. Well, the first item I purchased is 3 skeins of this Big Twist Posh yarn, and the color is Ube Milk Tea. And I got 3 skeins of these. I have a project idea that I'm going to use with these skeins of yarn. I got 9 total, but not of the same color. You'll see the other 2 in a moment. And this is a Big Twist Posh brand yarn. It's 100% polyester, 233 yards, and it's a number 5 weight. The second one, also Big Twist, the same brand, 100% polyester, 233 yards, and the color on this is Glow Warm. I don't know if you can see that on, and I can put annotations in this video so you better know what the color and the dye lot numbers are. And again, I got 3 skeins of these, and this is going to be part of a big project that I plan on doing for Easter, in case you didn't already catch the theme. And I got 3 of, again, Big Twist, 3 of this brand, of this color, and the color on this is Blueberry Smoothie. And again, I will leave annotations for each yarn that I bring up. So again, I've got 9 total skeins of this yarn for a Afghan project I'm going to be doing for Easter, which is, I think, is going to turn out great. And I also was inspired by Creative Grandma and this project that she did. I actually did a scarf similar to her pattern, but I used a different type of yarn. But just because I could, I got the actual yarn that she used in this project. I got 2 skeins of the Mandala Gradient from Lion brand. It is the steel blue, and I will create that scarf the same way she did, and hopefully it turns out the same way hers did. So I look forward to working with that. And then next I got, this is going to be one of those product reviews, and plus a lot of people who are new to crocheting are going out and buying these wooble kits. And again, this is a simple one because I wanted to start out with a simple one to test out and to show how easy this is, or supposed to be easy for beginning crocheters. And again, this is the JoJo the Bunny kit. It's like for Easter. I liked it because it was cute and it was all simple. It wasn't a bunch of color changes. And again, on the back, it just shows you what everything's included, and I will do a product review for that. And last but not least, I am going to do some more amigurumi teddy bears and another cat. And I did do this black cat earlier. I thought it was cute. I did the green cat eyes. Again, I got the eyes at Joann's Fabrics. And this is just a simple black yarn. And this color here is the Hobby Lobby graphite color, did the whiskers, and I did this cute little scarf. So I may do a tutorial now too, but I may do another one that's like a orange color or gray or white, or I can maybe try to do a calico of this version, or a calico version of this cat. So I got some big noses for the teddy bear, which they're like safety eyes, both for the noses, and I also got like a smaller size of those. So, and that is my current yarn haul I got today. So I hope everyone enjoyed this video today. So again, let me know if you want to see such videos regarding these shopping trip videos, and then if you like them, I will produce more of them. And if you have any suggestions or ideas for future shopping videos, let me know, and I'll take your suggestions into consideration, and then I will produce such videos for the future. Again, don't forget to like this video and or subscribe to this channel. And as a reminder, this is a safe space for all, so please do not leave any negative or derogatory comments. With that being said, I hope that all of your day goes well today. Take care of yourself and each other.